In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply for a part-time job at Tim Hortons. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your browser. Then from here, you need to go up to the search field and click in Tim Hortons Job Canada. Then from here, you need to click Join our team, the first link. Then this page should be popping up. And here you need to scroll down and choose your language. Here you can either choose English or French. I'm choosing English for this tutorial, but this will also work with the French language. Then from here you'll need to click Apply Now, and then this page is going to pop up. And here you can see all of the team job opportunities that Tim Hortons has to offer. But to choose part-time job, you need to go up here to Filters, and then from here you need to go over to Part-time and click right here. And then click Apply Filter. But from here, you need to find the job offer that you want to apply for. Let's say I want to apply for the team member here. Then you need to click Apply. And here you'll see all the necessities that is to be hired at Tim Hortons. About the company, the address, why you should work for Tim Hortons, and what they will require of you. Then from here, you simply need to click Apply Now. And here you need to add in your email address, your telephone number, and then you'll have the option to upload your CV and job application. Then from there, you can just click Send. And then you'll get an email into your inbox saying that they have received your CV and will contact you on a later date.